to final approval, Copilot helps you craft professional proposals in no time, offering smart suggestions and seamless collaboration along the way. To begin, you will let Copilot know what you want to do. You will then choose the document you need, and Copilot will get to work with the right context. Click on Contoso CipherGuard Product Specification. Click on the Generate button. You can give Copilot feedback on how to edit or regenerate the document. Click the Keep It field once you are satisfied. Need a concise overview? Click Insert a Summary if you want a quick synopsis of any document. You can reach Copilot at any time with this button to ask for more changes or tips on your drafting. You can also click on Share to get a direct shareable link to your file and control access to it. Interested in learning more about how solutions like Microsoft 365 and Copilot can support your organization? Speak with one of our experts at Velosio.